Late spring in the eastern Sierras can be unpredictable. My brother and I headed out to the East Walker expecting the same mild weather we had in Reno. As we approached the river, we had a strong winter storm that made the fish even colder than we were.
You say you feel left down, always down against the grave. You are. You say you feel left down, always down against the grave. We are. Maybe it's soft inside a heart, it's full of mercy. Maybe it comes from where we are, the land of the thirsty, hungry, lying heart. You say you feel like down, always down against the grave. We are. You say it's real life down, always down against.
We woke the second day to sunny skies and singing birds. The warmer weather helped the fishing, and we managed to catch a few.
Tree by the river when we were 17. Dark canyon wall